Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to 10 secant of t. So we put this one go in here. You will got about 100 secant of t square, and 100 we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1 we can change into tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root. So we do first the derivative for the both side, and you got about the s equal to 10 secant of t tan t dt. So we put this one to replace for s, and s, the s we change for this one. So 10 secant of t we simplify on numerator and denominator. This one we got about 100 secant of t square. 100 we can do about factorization. This one we change for tan t square. The square root of 100 tan t square, you got about 10 tan t. Tan t and tan t we multiply each other, you got about tan t square. About tan t square we got about secant of t square minus 1. And now we got the final answer. The integration of secant of t square, you got about tan t. The integration of number 1, and we have number 10 in here, you got about tan t, and we put about c. About t in here, we need to return back in here. So we divide both sides by number 10. And we got about t equals to arc secant of s over 10. So we put this one to replace for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.